Geometry, P5, similar triangles and indirect measure. Okay, in the diagram, F. Okay, these are two different problems. Okay, in the diagram, here's this. Whenever you have two triangles that kind of cross each other right here, this 5 and this F is going to go together. This 10 and this 5 are going to go together. So 5 is to F as 5 is to 10. Or you can do 5 is to 5 as F is to 10. This is kind of really doesn't make sense to you because the 5s are totally, or they're the same and everything. So if it's 5 over 5, what would it be if it's blank over 10? 10. Or you could cross multiply and divide again. Here we are. So 3 and F, because they're on the same triangle. 3 and 6 go together because they come from the same line. So 8 is going to go under F because they come from the same line. Cross multiply and divide, or 4, because 3 over 6 is 1/2, so this has to be 1/2. So 4 over 8 would be 1/2. When you have a triangle embedded into another triangle, I strongly suggest you redraw them, separate them, so you can kind of see what's going on. The little one isn't going to change any, but how much is this right here for this big triangle? Some of you are going to say 9, because I already used 3 in the other triangle, but this is how much it is, which is 12, and this is W. So 3 and 4, because they come from the same triangle. 3 and 12, because they're in the same spot. So W is going to be under 4. If 3 over 12 is 1/4, then 4 over 16 is 1/4, or you can cross multiply and divide. Same thing. This triangle is inside this triangle, so I suggest that you make a little triangle and a big triangle. This is 4, and this is K. This is 8, and this is 6. So 6 and 8 come from the same triangle. Same triangle, same spot. So K is going to go under 6. 4 is going to go under 8. 4 under 8 is 2. So K is going to be 12. No, it's not. It's going to be 3, because 6 over 3 is 2. A maple tree that is 8 meters tall casts a shadow 15 meters long. If a nearby fir tree casts a shadow 30 meters long, what is the fir tree's height? Okay, so we have a maple tree. It is 8 meters long. Here's the sun, and it casts a shadow. Here's the shadow, 15 meters long. A nearby fir tree casts a shadow that is twice as long. So what do you think about the fir tree? Or the fir tree. How tall do you think the fir tree is going to be? We don't know. So 8 and 15, because they come from the same triangle. 8 and X, because they are corresponding parts, so the 30 goes over here. So 15 over 30, 15 is half of 30, so 8 is half of what? 16, or cross multiply and divide. A plum tree. Okay, here. That is 8 yards tall. Casts a shadow that is 6 yards long. A nearby lighthouse casts a shadow that is 9 yards long. How tall is the lighthouse? 8 and 6 because they come from the same triangle. 8 and X because they're in the same spot. So the 9 goes over 6. A little bit harder for you to reduce and then figure out what's going to go underneath it. So let's just cross multiply and divide. So 6 times X is 6X. 8 times 9 is 72. Divide by 6. X is 12. Even though there's decimals, you're still going to do it the same way. Big triangle, little triangle, big triangle, this is Q, and 16, carry the 1, 14, 15, carry the 1, 35. Yeah, I'm going to have to squish this. So Q and 35.6 because they come from the same triangle. Q and 3.9 because they're in the same spot. And 8.9. Cross multiply and divide. $35.6 times 3.9 divided by 8.9, 15.6. $27 and 54 are in the same triangle. 27 and W are in the same spot. So 72 comes here because 72 and 54 are on the same line, basically. So 54W equals 27 times 72 divided by 54, 36. Last one. We know this is 39. We know this is 43.2. So I want to know this one, and I don't know it, so it's W. I need to know this one because this is going to be right there. And it's not 14.4, it's 57.6. So 39 and 43.2. Since they're in the same triangle, 39 and W, because they're in the same spot. 57.6 times 39 divided by 43.2, 52.